Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, automatic climate control, carpeted floor mats, wheel locks, lumbar support, first aid kit. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.